Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take a look at the Gateron silver switches. These aren't exactly budget, but they aren't super premium either. 72 switches comes out to $42 on Amazon. It's interesting to compare the internals of the Gateron yellows and the Gateron silver switches. Both are linears, so they're roughly the same, but the Gateron silvers have longer springs as well as dust cover designs on the stem. These switches came factory lubed and it's pretty well done. I'm looking forward to hand lubing them to see the result, but they're totally acceptable right out of the box. I went through the process of installing them on my Yunzii KC-68, and it all went off without a hitch. I'm always paranoid I'm going to pop out one of those hot swap sockets. With the new switches installed and all the keycaps back on, it's time for a sound comparison. I'm going to compare the silvers to my previous switches, the Gateron yellows. It's also important to note that the yellows are hand lubed and the silvers are only factory lubed. So a more thorough comparison will come when I crack open the silvers. Let me know what you think and which one you like more. Interesting results. I think I like the silvers more, but I haven't quite decided. I'm going to keep them on the board and use them for a while just to break them in. More videos on these switches coming soon, so make sure you subscribe to catch those. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the video. And to end us off, here's some more ASMR of the silver switches for you.